Peace of love, everybody. It's BarberCoach Tony Taylor here. We're checking in today with some information for the Barber State Board exam for the state of Illinois. That's right. We also do tutoring, so if you're interested, feel free to hit me with the inbox and let's get started. A couple of tidbits. Please wash your hands for 20 seconds minimum. These are the CDC guidelines, good people. Let's maintain. Now, while we're doing so, let's talk about infection control. We see here that we use Barbicide, which is a wet sanitizer, and spray disinfectants like Cool Care. But what is it all part of? It is part of what is called decontamination. This is the removal of bacteria from surfaces and tools that we use in the barbershop. We have 3 different levels of decontamination. Sterilization, which is least common, involves boiling, baking, and steam cleaning. Disinfection is going to be cleaning with the use of chemicals, and sanitation is the removal of dirt and debris with soap and water. Now, sterilization isn't common in barbershops because nobody is baking or boiling anything inside of them. But the highest level of decontamination of the barbershop is always going to be disinfection. That's right, using chemicals to clean surfaces and tools. Now, the contact time using disinfectant sprays is at least 10 minutes, or follow the manufacturer's directions. Just like with wet sanitizers, we have a mixing ratio of 1 to 1,000. Now, we follow the manufacturer's directions there, but we also have to remember that the immersion time for wet sanitizers are always 1 to 5 minutes. Gotta be careful with the tools and implements, you guys. Lowest level of decontamination in the shop, sanitation. Now, yeah, we have to remember this is the lowest level of decontamination. Don't make the mistake in saying it's the highest, you guys. It happens all the time. Let's learn about the bacteria we're fighting against here. Cocci in particular. We have 3 different types. We have Streptococci, which grows in chains. We have Diplococci, which grows in pairs. And last but not least, we have another called Staphylococci, which is going to grow in clusters or bunches. You notice they are all round in shape. However, the growth is going to be different in size. Staphylococci is going to grow in clusters again, Streptococci in chains, Diplococci in pairs. And we're going to get into our part 2 of other diseases that they can cause. Bacterial growth and reproduction is important to know because there are 4 different conditions in which they can live and thrive. Warm, dark, damp, dirty. Yes, and we have 2 different stages of bacterial growth. The active stage, which is known as vegetative, and the inactive stage, which is going to be dormant or spore forming. Bacteria can move itself through liquid and or the air. One way is flagella. It can propel itself through liquid. So that's blood-to-blood contact, sharing drinks, things of that nature, while cilia can propel the bacteria through air. Now listen, if you want a little bit more of that sauce, get in tune. There's going to be another part 2. And always stay on top of everything, y'all. Peace and love, and make certain to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.